Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. It's Rachel here. I'm going to show you guys how I did this hairstyle. So in my Instagram, I decided to ask what kind of videos would you like to see more in my channel, and a few of you asked for more hair tutorials, which I'm so excited because I love doing hair tutorials. And then I posted my favorite body bronzer videos. I had this hairstyle and then a few of you wanted to see this, so here is the tutorial. By the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, it is Rachael Bogarin, so follow me and of course I will follow back. So if you want to see this hair tutorial, then let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna get started. So for the products that you're gonna be using, I'm gonna go with a hairstyling, and this is the Trust Me Mousse. This is the extra hold. I like this one. It smells really good. Been using it for years. And then you're gonna need a hairspray to just hold the curls in. And one of my favorites, it's Dove. It's Dove. This is the Style and Care Extra Hold Hairspray. So this is their number 5. And this smells so good. So if you guys haven't tried this one, it smells so good. It smells clean. I love this one. It is like around $6 in your local Walgreens or drugstore. So my hair is already dry. You're also gonna need a scrunchie and a hair comb. And then for the styling product tool that I'm going to be using, it is the Bedhead Wave We Go. So this one, it looks like this. You adjust this rod right here to make the curls really, really curly or wavy. And we're going to go with very curly for now. And then this goes all the way up to 400 degrees, but I have it at 350 just because I have really thin hair and I don't want to damage my hair. I don't need it really hot like that, and 350 is very hot and it heats up so fast. So I love this product. I got this in Amazon, so I will put it in my description below. See if you guys want to, if you're interested. So you just want to comb your hair. And so my hair right now is like still short, medium. I think it looks amazing with medium to longer hair length. And so now I'm just going to parting my hair in half. So just follow your ears and then just grab it. So just like that. So if you have a hair clamp, I guess you could use that. I just use a scrunchie, and then I'm just gonna bring this in half, and then I just want to comb it one more time, and then now I'm gonna start grabbing it just like a thin size, like the amount you would use to straighten your hair. You don't want to grab too much. And then I kind of just like straighten it, and then I start pressing on it, and then I let it go, and then I go down, and then again. See, creates these waves. I actually want it just a little more shorter. See, so I straighten it kinda, and then I start pressing on it. It's like stamping your hair kinda, if that makes sense. It looks so pretty if you have like long hair and get that wavy beach hair. So you see how it looks? Like ramen noodles. And I'm just gonna do the same thing on this side. So I'm just gonna straighten it, and then I'm gonna press. See, it looks like this. So I have very thin hair, so it's much easier for me to grab a thin piece and then keep going. And then we're just doing the same thing. We're gonna straighten it, and then I'm gonna start pressing. And then I just leave it in for a few seconds because this is already hot. And this actually, it's really fast. I think because I do have thin hair, I finished this in like 10-15 minutes or less sometimes. And here I'm just gonna cut it in half, throw it over here, and I'm gonna work on these right here. Literally, when I was in high school, I would always do my hair, either straighten it, curl it. Like growing up, my mom would always do my hair in a ponytail, have a ponytail, or in a little trenza bun, like always. I never had my hair down, and I always wanted my hair down, and she would not let me have my hair down. I don't know why. I just always liked having my hair down. So I think that's why I always loved doing my hair when I was older. My sisters who bought the straightener, and then I would use it. And I'll wake up like early too, because you had to be in school by like 8, so I will have to wake up like 6 and do my hair and get ready for school. Like, so I don't know, I just always loved doing my hair. And then this is the last piece. I look like Hermione. So now I'm just gonna grab my hair, and I have a ponytail, but very high ponytail, just like I did in my other tutorial. Basically, you just follow the ears from your ears above, and then meet with your 2 fingers. That's literally it. So I'm just gonna grab here, go up. And this is where you're gonna grab the hairspray that you have, and I'm gonna go ahead and use Dove, and I'm just gonna spray it right here. And then now just grab your scrunchie that you're using, and then now I'm gonna put the ponytail just pretty high. So now it looks like this, and it looks so cute. So now I'm just gonna grab, and this is where I grab the mousse, and basically I'm gonna put it all over my hair just to make the curls more defined. This is how it looks, and then you could just spray some hairspray. Just a little bit, just because the mousse is already doing the job. The bigger the hair, the more we care. Who says that? Did anybody grow up with That's So Raven? So that's the look, and it will look so cute. Also, if you have baby hairs, you could bring your baby hairs and style them. I don't have that many. Mine are kind of like all over the place. And that completes my hair tutorial. So thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, dame un like, and if you want to see more of my videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below. And I just want to say thank you so much for everybody who actually has been supporting me and has been watching my videos. I am so happy and so excited. So I'm just having such a fun time doing these videos, makeup videos, hair tutorials here in YouTube. Thank you so much. So I'll see you guys next time.